How to make money on YouTube without making videos. Side hustle 13M. The English language with a male narrator was used to prepare this video. Hello YouTube friends. My name is Mitchell. Have you ever seen somebody showered with money, without a partner? You did choose this video to look at and you are lucky to do so. Today we are going to introduce you to Matt Parr and his brainy strategy plus his completely free training. Nice to have you here. We are today going to introduce you to Matt and his ingenious strategy, which is how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Side hustle, plus his completely complimentary training. So, the question is, how do you make money on YouTube without making or recording videos? Matt is estimating $100 to $500 per day, without having to make any of your own content. With over 1 million subscribers, Matt makes $30,000 plus per month from YouTube. So, how can you do the same things Matt is doing, without having to create any videos? Well, in this video today Matt is going to tell you of 6 different steps that you can use to earn income on YouTube, without having to make any videos. If you guys do not know Matt, his name is Matt Parr. Matt teaches people how to make money online with YouTube. Now here's a question for you guys, have you ever seen a YouTube video in which the person in it didn't even show their face? More likely than not. After you have watched this intro video, click the link in the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. The answer to that question is probably yes, but Matt bets you didn't know that these types of videos can actually make a ton of money. Most of these channels aren't even original, in the sense that they are just using other people's videos. But they are transforming it. So basically, what these channels do, is they go out there and they download videos from YouTube, re-upload them on their own channel, and then make money from those videos by putting ads on them. Now, is this legal? And the answer is yes. If it falls under something called fair use. Now you might be saying, Matt, I need an example of this. I do not believe you. Matt has an example channel that he is going to be sharing with you, that makes countdown videos. It has over 815 million views on it. Now that's $1 million, just from ads alone, at a $2 CPM. That, by the way, is very conservative. Now you might be saying, Matt, that's great. But how much is this channel making per month? Well, according to Social Blade, they make between $1,000 and $30,000 per month, by literally just grabbing videos. They then put them together, narrate over the top of them, and not actually having to create any of the content themselves. That is what's so incredible about this method of going out there and making money on YouTube. They then put them together, narrate over the top of them, and not actually having to create any of the content themselves. That is what's so incredible about this method of going out there and making money on YouTube. Please stay with us. The basic idea is that you go to YouTube, you download videos, you upload them on your channel, and then you monetize those videos and make money from them. That way, you are making money from YouTube. But you never have to make any videos. So, step 1 is to create your channel. Chances are that you already have a YouTube account if you are watching this. So making a channel is super simple. You can make as many channels as you want. You do not need 100 different Gmails on 100 different passwords. You literally only need one Gmail account, and you can make as many channels as you want under that Gmail. The way to do this is to go to Settings, and then Add Channel. You can add as many channels as you want. At this point you are probably saying, Matt, how do I know which videos I should be making? Well, that brings Matt into step 2, which is choosing a niche. The top niches Matt recommends are top 10 channels, tech channels, the psychology niche, meditation channels, scary videos, and luxury and financial channels. Now these are all niches that perform very well, that you can find examples of huge channels in. So once you choose a niche and you make your channel, make sure to put a logo in channel art on your channel to make sure it looks professional and to make sure it looks like a real brand. This makes sure that your channel looks as official as possible. Step 3 is getting monetized. So right about now, you are probably asking, Matt, how do I actually go out and start making money doing this? Well, you can get monetized directly on YouTube and put ads on your videos by joining something called the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube will put ads on your videos, and you'll get a certain percentage of that ad revenue. The two things you need to get monetized are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel. You might be saying, this is going to take so long to get. But with the method that Matt is showing you, you can actually meet these requirements a lot faster than you probably think. For example, he aims to get monetized on every new channel that he starts within 1 to 2 months of starting that channel. So this can actually happen very quickly. Step 4 is getting content. You are probably asking, where can I actually get content to use in my videos? Matt is going to go over 2 different places that you can get content to use in your videos. Number 1 is directly on YouTube itself. So to do this, simply go to YouTube and search in your niche. For example, if you wanted to make top 10 videos, search in top 10 and then sort by the most viewed videos in the past month. This will show you new videos that are actually getting views, and then you can go and use their videos. It's great that you are joining us. But make sure that you make it transformative. You make it fair use. The number 2 place you can get content to use in your videos is free stock footage website. There are huge YouTube channels out there like Brainy Dose, which literally just makes psychology videos with the voiceover on top of free stock footage. So now you are probably saying, where can I get free stock footage? After you have watched this intro video, click the link in the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. The number 1 website that Matt recommends is a website called pixabay.com, where you can get completely free videos and pictures to use within your YouTube videos. And if you actually want to make more money on YouTube, you do not want to wait to get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time, and you do not want to wait to get monetized. You can actually make a lot more money on YouTube by putting affiliate links in the description of your YouTube videos. Depending on the niche in the videos that you are producing, you can put affiliate links to products that are related to the video. So, where can you find these affiliate products? Well, Matt recommends clickbank.com, dgstore24.com, and the Amazon affiliate program. Do not worry. Matt is going to show you exactly how you can edit both your videos and your thumbnails. So keep watching to discover how to do that for completely free, without costing you 1 cent. Step 5 is optimizing your videos. In order to give use and in turn, start making money doing this, you need to make sure that your videos are optimized. And you are probably asking, how do I optimize my videos? The way you do this is having an optimized title, description tags, thumbnail and subtitles on your videos. The way to do this without having to do a ton of work is by using a completely free extension called vidIQ. For a title, you want to make sure that it is something that people would actually search for. So when you are coming up with titles, it's a good idea to ask yourself what you actually searched for this title on YouTube. For the description, you want to make sure to use a lot of sentences with the tags and keywords that will be searched for on YouTube. This will make sure that your video appears in search results and in the suggested video feeds of related videos. It is really simple, but if you do not want to do all this work, just get the extension vidIQ. Step 6 is putting ads on your videos. Once you've done everything correctly, you should be monetized. The best way to make the most amount of money from YouTube is producing videos that are over 10 minutes long. We are almost finished. Hang in there. This way you can actually add mid-roll ads on your videos, and put multiple ads throughout your videos. The best way to do this, is to put an ad at the beginning of the video, the end of the video, and then every 2 minutes throughout the video. This way, you'll make the most amount of money from your video. For example, if you have a 10-minute video, you put an ad at 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, and then one at both the beginning and end of the video. Have you ever seen someone dripping with money, without a partner? We think that you have now been given a good taste of what Matt can do for you. It is time for you to investigate Matt's free training. There you will find videos showing you exactly what Matt is describing. Much more simple, and well worth your while. After you have watched this intro video, click the link in the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training.